pointers and function. When the program is executed, the code for each function is loaded into memory starting at a specific address. A pointer to a function holds the starting address of a function, its entry point. The code for each function is loaded into memory starting at a specific address. Like other pointers, one must declare a pointer to a function. The general form of the declaration is as follows. Type open bracket asterisk ptr underscore to underscore func close bracket open bracket parameter underscore list close bracket semicolon. What is function pointer? Function pointer. A pointer which keeps address of a function is known as function pointer. Three steps to use pointer to call function. Declare pointer which is capable of storing address of function. Initialize pointer variable. Call function using pointer variable. Step 1. Declaring pointer. Void asterisk open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket colon. Declare double pointer. Write open close bracket symbol after double pointer. Void represents that function is not returning any value. Open close bracket represents that function is not taking any parameter. Step 2. Initializing pointer. ptr is equal to and display. This statement will store address of function in pointer variable. Step 3. Calling a function. Open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket semicolon. Using open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket, one can call function display open close bracket semicolon. Open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket is equal to open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket semicolon. Open bracket asterisk and display close bracket open close bracket semicolon. Open bracket display close bracket open close bracket semicolon. Display open close bracket. Thus open bracket asterisk ptr close bracket open close bracket is as good as calling function. Example program for function having two pointer parameters and return type as pointer. Output. This statement declares ptr underscore to underscore func as a pointer to a function that returns type and passes the parameters in parameter list. Here are some more concrete examples. Functions declaration. Pointer declaration. Assigning the address of functions to pointer. The first line declares func1 as a pointer to a function that takes one type integer argument and returns as a type int. The second line declares func2 as a pointer to a function that takes two type double arguments and has a void return type or no return value. The third line declares func3 as a pointer to a function that takes an array of pointers to type char as its argument and returns to type char. The final line declares func4 as a pointer to a function that doesn't take any arguments and has a void return type. Initializing and using a pointer to a function. A pointer to a function must not only be declared but also initialized to pointer something. The something is, of course, a function. There's nothing special about a function that gets pointed to. The only requirement is that its return type and parameter list match the return type and parameter list of the pointer declaration. For example, the following code declares and defines a function and a pointer to that function. Because the function square open close bracket and the pointer p have the same parameter and return types, one can initialize p to point to square as follows: ptr is equal to square semicolon. Then a programmer can call the function using the pointer as follows: answer is equal to ptr open bracket x close bracket semicolon.